back and I'm vibing, I'm chilling, I'm good.
Uh-oh. Here's her. Cooking some hot wings. Alright, so it's Saturday night, right? Yeah, Saturday night. I just finished filming a video on this hairstyle. Decided to do a hair video, you know what I'm saying? Because I gotta get going on my videos. I gotta get my videos up. So, you know, I'm set up. Yeah, so, you know, we're set up. Just finished filming. Got the ring lights on and popping. And I might film a cooking video tonight. I don't know. I've been wanting to do a cooking video. Thinking about doing it tonight. So we'll see. We'll see. Yeah, so hopefully like tomorrow I can just get like stuff edited. I still didn't even edit the last vlog I did. Is still not edited or uploaded, but that one really shouldn't take too long because that one is super short. I really did not film too much to it, hardly anything, so it probably won't even be that long. But yeah, I gotta get that uploaded hopefully tomorrow. And then this vlog right here might not even be that long because so far this is only the second day filming it and it's already Saturday. I only filmed, I think I only recorded like a split second of something yesterday, and I don't know. But yeah, say what's up. Say what's up, Coda. What up? What up, son? Yo, dog. Coda, son. Alright. What? Are you hungry? Yeah! What's up? Just got a music video. Trying to export this music video in Premiere Pro. I just made an Instagram version of it, so it'll be on Instagram soon. The music video is actually already up on his channel, and I will probably be uploading it to my channel soon. So forget about you. Hey guys, alright, so it's Monday night. I made a drink. I just have a drink. It's just some sangria with fruit in it. It has apples in it. Apples and peaches. Why the heck? Why is it not focusing? Actually, it's sangria and it's mixed with strawberry margarita. And then it has apples and peaches in it. Oh, and a little bit of peach juice. Good, yeah. And I just made like this quesadilla thing. This is what I'm eating for dinner. But it's good. I put like cheese and black beans, peppers, onions, and salsa in it. And I don't know, sometimes might put chicken in it, you know, but I don't always do that, like, you know. But yeah. It's a mess. It's all falling apart. Everything's falling out of it. But it's gonna be good. I just gotta get the sour cream. I just got up 2 videos. I got my new vlog, episode 3, which is actually really behind. That should have been like uploaded like way, what, over a week ago probably. But yeah, I just did like this braid hairstyle because it's a cute hairstyle that I like to wear a lot. But make sure you guys check these videos out. Of course, they're already up, so I mean, maybe you would have already watched them, which you should have by the time this vlog is up. But if you haven't, you know, make sure you go show my other videos some love. You know what I'm saying? I need those likes up. Okay. Yeah. And what else? If you don't know, now you know, nigga. And the music video I did is up now too. It's not on my channel though, but it's on Mouse Trap Tube. So go to that channel on YouTube and check out the music video and subscribe. I'll probably upload it on my channel too eventually. But yeah, in the meantime, it is up so you can see it. Yeah, I gotta represent. Oh yeah, and I gotta get some new Sims videos recorded. But yeah, you know, trying to get these videos done. I got more videos I'm gonna try to film this week. So yes, you know, I'm gonna be doing some more stuff with my hair, and oh yeah, I'm still gonna do a cooking video. Didn't I mention that? I was trying to do a cooking video. Yeah, I plan on trying to film that this week too. But yeah, so I think I'm gonna end the vlog here, and I will see you guys in my other video and in the next vlog and all that good stuff. Make sure you subscribe, give thumbs up, show me some love, like, for real guys, come on, give me some likes, leave me some comments, show my videos some love. Alright, peace. Oh, and my balloon is still floating in the middle of January. What?
Bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas are savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. My bitch is bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas are savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. With the ruler, diamond cooler. This a rolling.